This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Mori Nijmi less than bedroom greater than number 1,124,175. A spacious 2 bedrooms and 1.75 bathrooms in heart of Studio City. Open floor plan. Large living room with fireplace and a nice balcony off the dining room with sliding glass door and ceiling fans. A private kitchen with eat-in area. Inside laundry room with washer and dryer. Enormous master bedroom with large walk-in closet and a private bathroom with 2 sinks. The second bedroom looks into the courtyard and direct access to the other bathroom. Hardwood floorings throughout. Wet bar and much more. Lowest priced condominium per square feet in Studio City. Walking distance to shops, restaurants and Ventura Blvd.